Hello people, welcome. Join, let's make this quick egg recipe that you are seeing right here. I'll be adding 2 eggs. I will add onion and I will add in my cherry tomatoes. Thank you for always tuning in. I really do appreciate all my oldies, my new customers, my old customers, my new YouTubers, my non-YouTubers, all those who are following me and watching me. Thank you for always coming. I really do appreciate. So I added salt, thyme, paprika, curry powder, rosemary, turmeric, garlic, chili pepper, mixed spices for meat. So I will just whisk it together properly. Follow me on all social platforms: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. Lady B Varieties is the name. Check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful, guys. So I added olive oil and I will add it in, and I like to cook for a while before I will give it a quick stir. Check my channel out, guys. I have all the cooking videos, baking videos, all the recipes out there. Thank you all for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. So guys, this recipe is a quick one, and I want my tomato and onion to be crunchy, just as you are seeing it like this. So here it's ready, guys, and I serve it like this. Enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. Bye guys, see you in my next one.